Hey y'all, and welcome back to the channel. I'm Lynn, and in today's video we're making two homemade soft scrubs. We're making one that's more of a gentle type soft scrub out of our Castile soap, and then we're going to make one that's tough for grease on top of your stoves or maybe even in your oven, and we're going to use Blue Dawn for that one. So y'all come on and let's get started. Today we're making two different types of soft scrub. The first thing we're adding is baking soda. I'm going to add a half a cup of baking soda to my little dish. And now to this one we're going to add our Blue Dawn. And we're going to add 1/4 cup of our Blue Dawn. Now at this point, if you wanted to have it with a little bleach in it, you could add a couple drops of bleach to this. But today we're just doing the Blue Dawn soft scrub. And then to that, I'm going to add just a drop or two of water. Maybe a half a teaspoon to start with. And now we're just going to give that a good mix. Just get all the way in those bottom corners. Make sure you get all your baking soda out of there and mixed in that Blue Dawn. Okay, now we've got it mixed good. We're going to let it sit, and as it sits, it will even thicken up a little more. But you don't want it too thick. You want it to be able to be used to like start scrubbing with instead of like a paste. You want it a little bit creamy like this right here. We're not going to waste none of that. Okay, now we're going to take our soft scrub that we made and we're going to clean the top of this stove right here just so you can see how it looks and how it works. Okay, that's what your texture looks like. And then we're just going to take it and I'm just going to clean this little area right here so y'all can see it. Now the one that you make with the Blue Dawn soft scrub would be more like for a tough job like this. And the next one will be more like a gentle type soft scrub. Say if you've got a toddler, like my son and daughter-in-law, they could use this, the next one, on her tub, my grandbaby's tub. Or even the countertop in the kids' room. And now I just tuck and wet me a paper towel, and I'm just going to take and get this up off of our stove. Now I would normally use like a washcloth, but I wanted to use this so y'all could see how clean this gets this. Making homemade products with what you've already got. Okay, it needs a little bit more, but I just wanted to demonstrate the soft scrub. Look at what it's got off the top of that glass stove. So that's an easy, simple way to save money and make your own homemade soft scrub. You don't have to spend all that money to buy it in a bottle. You can make it yourself and keep it in a little container like this. Buy you one of these little brushes and use it straight out of your container with ingredients you already have in your home. So the next time you're wanting to scrub your tubs, your counters, your stove, don't run out and buy a soft scrub. Just make it yourself. Okay, the next one we're going to make a soft scrub using a Castile soap. And this is the lavender. It only takes these 2 ingredients and just a drop or 2 of water. We're going to go with a 1/2 cup of our baking soda. And then we're going to use a 1/4 of a cup of our soap. And before I add any water to this, because that soap is more watery, I guess you could say, than Dawn, we're going to give it a mix and see how it looks. Okay, I'm not going to add no water to this one, because I think that turned out good just like that. And that's how that one turned out to look like. Now just label these 2 different types of soft scrub, saying what it is on the container. And you can have your tougher homemade soft scrub or the gentler type homemade soft scrub. Either one you want. So now we have our more gentle type homemade soft scrub and our Dawn tough soft scrub. Either one you make, they both turn out great. This side of the stove, I'm going to show you how this one works. And the difference. You might see a little difference since it's a gentler type soap. And like I said, this one right here would be great for bathtubs, sinks, counters. That's what the texture of it looks like. The soap is what cleans it, and the baking soda gives you the little grit scrubbing you need. Okay, that's just a light cleaning so you can see how that one works. So now I've got to clean the whole stove now that I cleaned the front. Okay, y'all, I hope this helps you save some money and time. You can make your own homemade cleaning products yourself. It's springtime. It's that time of year. Everybody wants to start doing some spring cleaning. So we hope these tips help you make it yourself and save a little money. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel if you hadn't already. I hope this video helps you figure out how to make it yourself and save that little bit of money. Every little bit counts. Thanks for watching.